These are our friends.
Let's go.
I need my seatbelt off.
Everybody meet him. Meet Jax. Oh. Oh, boop. Oh, boop. Yeah, that's a perfect. Dubs.
Let's go. That one was for him.
Dubs.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Don't push. Don't quit.
No! Oh!
He's undefeated. Undefeated. Bro. And then you put it on like a.
Your dick goes
put it
right
over
there,
your arm.
asshole goes right there.
Dude, it looks like a big,
it's like
big ass fucking thong. Dude, dead ass looks like a thong, bro. It is, bro.
It is a thong. It's a thong with shoulder straps.
Moody, please do it.
That's kind of sick.
You know I went up his butt cheeks when that happened.
Who's farting? Who the fuck's farting? Is it you? Let the hoes know. I'm gonna put you on. I'm gonna put you on. So everyone knows with the Mick gangbang, that's common etiquette. What the hell you do with the extra piece of bread though? Simple solution. Something I like to call a McSizzler. You gotta get the flat. You get your package up. Slap that bitch on there, right? Empty it out, cause we're bountiful. Then you grab the fries, right?
Got you.
And you put a pound of pounds. Fold it up. Fold that shit up. Mix it with McSizzler. Don't hit your sword. The drip?
We had a good time at bowling. Shit was litty. Got some strikes in, you know.
Sorry for the very bad picture of
Where the fuck
me.
did this man get
Pizza.
Alright, make
you
sure you
have
like,
something to get me
subscribe
in
our
here?
video.
And follow me on
Big
Snapchat
Yeah.
and Instagram.
Fuck his Snapchat, don't do shit.
Alright, well, we'll see you in the next
To the
video.
beach.
At Moody.
Peace.
It's cold
as fuck. It's cold
as fuck.